Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood Now.
I'm such a chocolate girl. Such a chocolate girl. Such a chocolate girl.
It tastes amazing. It tastes amazing.
Take the bite and you hear the sound, the crackling sound that you hear. Chocolate and brownies, two of my most favorite desserts combined together. I'm such a chocolate girl. I'm obsessed with, the 100% Belgian chocolate that, of course, Magnum is made of. Take the bite and you hear the sound, the crackling sound that you hear. I think that just sends me into like moons and moons. I just go on like I'm in this world of chocolate and brownies. Something about chocolate that's just extremely stylish. I love chocolate. And most girls like to be pampered with some chocolate.
It tastes amazing and it looks even better. I like the yogurt flavor, the nougat, the granola one, because I'm a granola and chocolate kind of girl. That's my favorite flavor.
बचपन में अक्सर मीठा खाने से काफ़ी डांट वाट पड़ती है, तो कुछ बचपन की बातें बताएं आपको कभी चॉकलेट खाने से या मीठा खाने से?
नहीं, मुझे कभी नहीं डांट पड़ती थी क्योंकि मेरी मॉम एक्चुअली चॉकलेट चोर है. सबसे ज़्यादा चॉकलेट्स घर पे उन्हीं के लिए आते थे, तो हमारे घर में कभी चॉकलेट की कमी थी नहीं. एंड अमेजिंगली आई हैव रियली ग्रेट डेंटल हाइजीन फॉर द अमाउंट ऑफ चॉकलेट दैट आई एट ग्रोइंग अप. मीठा तो मैं बहुत खाती थी और मुझे एक भी कैविटी नहीं हुई. सो आई डोंट नो अबाउट हाउ बैड चॉकलेट इज. मेरे लिए तो अच्छा ही था, मैं ठीक ठाक बड़ी हो गई.
I used to love sea salt caramel chocolates actually, which we talk about, like I talk about as Saira in this film as well, which is it's got this caramel flavor with chocolate with a little bit of salt. So that was my favorite, and I used to those I never took to Madam. I used to always take them back home and have them myself.
I love chocolates. I love desserts in general, but chocolates, anything to do with chocolates, I used to love. I think probably that was one of the main attractions for me for this class, that I would get to eat a lot of chocolates.
Favorite thing to do with chocolate other than eat it? No, sorry, never mind. That wasn't, no, I wasn't supposed to ask that question. We scratched it out.
I'm sure they have an answer. They're not giving it to you.